Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to get refund from your FoodPanda app. And if you want to get refund for the delivery which they have not delivered or delivered you the wrong product or the food and you want to get refund for it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So to do so, you make sure that you have installed the FoodPanda app on device. So if you have not installed, you may go on App Store or Play Store on a device and you may simply install the FoodPanda app on device. So after that, you need to open the FoodPanda app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the homepage of FoodPanda, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now you need to go on the account section at the very bottom right, and here you will see the option like order, favorite, payment, address and all. Now you need to click on the option of orders, and here you will see the food items which you have ordered from it. So you need to select the order which you want the refund for. So currently I have not ordered anything from here and you won't be able to see it. So after that, you need to click on the option of help or report an issue, which is usually at the bottom. Now from there you need to choose the reason for your refund request, such as order not delivered, wrong or missing items. So after that, you need to follow the instruction which it gives you on the screen, and you need to submit your request. So by doing this, FoodPanda support will review your request and process a refund if you are eligible for it. So if your reason is valid, then you'll be able to receive the refund on a bank account. Also, that's it. That's how you can get refund on your FoodPanda account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.